The Bigfork Fire Department has proposed a new mill levy to residents in order to maintain their current services. And as MTN's Jack Ginsburg reports, the levy failing could have a major impact on emergency response times in Bigfork.
The Bigfork Fire Department's current mill levy was designed to support a volunteer workforce. Over the years, volunteering has trended south, and the department has had to resort to paying all but 4 employees.
That mill levy was not designed for a paid workforce, so now we're at the point where we now have to start raising the levy to pay people to provide the service.
Currently, the department provides emergency medical services to the southeast corner of Flathead County and the northern corner of Lake County. Chief Theory estimates at this rate, if the newly proposed mill levy doesn't pass, the department could be out of funding within the next 3 years. If they can't come up with more money, Theory says 24-hour staffing will likely be cut and possibly EMS as well, which could be the difference between life and death in a timely situation.
Should that not be available, the next ambulance is going to be 20 to 30 minutes away coming from the Kalispell metro area. So that would be a significant impact to the folks that live down here and down the Swan Valley.
Not only has the amount of volunteer staffers decreased, the number of calls they receive annually has grown rapidly, requiring more funding. Due
to our call volume, there's also a need to grow a little bit because, as with everything else, the number of calls per year are going up, and they will continue to grow up.
The levy is asking for 15 mills, or $350,000 annually, which would translate to a $40 tax increase per year on a house worth $200,000.
Theory says a lot of times residents see tax increases as negative or useless, but believes this levy will benefit the community.
All we're asking for here is the basic funding for us to continue providing the service that we're currently providing and not have to lose any of it.
We will just have to wait and see till May 8th when voters decide if they want to pass this mill levy or not. Jack Ginsburg, MTN News, Bigfork.
And the fire department has been providing emergency medical services to the area since the 1970s.